Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing. And today we're going to be talking about the secret feature to Apple's wireless charger known as Airpower. So I first wanted to say that Airpower was announced alongside with the iPhone X on September 12th. So we've known about it for around 5.5 months. But some of the rumors are saying that it's going to be released for us to buy alongside with the iPad X or the iPad 10. So all we really know about Airpower, besides it being a wireless charger, is that it can charge more than one device, which means that it would have to have a ton of energy output to be able to charge 3 devices at the same time. So the iPad this year is rumored to have a glass back, which means that it would be accommodating the wireless charging feature. Now, since the iPad is such a huge device, it needs a ton of power being put into it to be able to charge it because it has a huge battery. And that means that if Apple put wireless charging into the iPad, basically none of the wireless chargers that are being sold right now would be big enough, they would be way too small, and if they even charged it at all, it would charge it very slow because an iPad is so big. I was thinking that since Airpower is rumored to be priced pretty high for a wireless charger, around $100 to $150, what if the hidden feature to Airpower was to be able to charge huge devices such as an iPad? Now, I'm not saying this will happen, this is all based off of a ton of rumors into one, but it is still very possible. So definitely make sure to let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. At least to me, I think it would be something cool for Apple to implement into this year's iPad. It would be awesome to have that option of wireless charging for an iPad. Alright, hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Now, make sure to stick around because I have a lot of awesome content coming out very soon that you will definitely not want to miss out on. And like always, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below. And I'll see you next one. Peace out.